In front of me is Realme 8, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then go to settings, and now locate and open sound and vibration right here. Then go to ringtone right here, it's under DND mode, tap on allow, and smoothly pick the ringtone that you would like to apply, for example fireflies. Okay, so let me just volume it up so you can hear this. If you will go back, as you can see it is already changed. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.